Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to delete Capability Access Manager files on Windows and free up storage. Go to Advanced Startup. Press F4 key to enable safe mode. Run commands one by one. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.